Last week, rumors about the OnePlus 7T broke out on the web, and there was enough to imagine what we could be expecting within the next few months. One of the most interesting ones was related to OnePlus 7T's display, which was set to use the same 90Hz Quad HD Plus AMOLED panel as the OnePlus 7 Pro. While being exciting, it was quite difficult to believe. However, thanks to OnePlus CEO, we know the 90Hz screen is becoming the standard for OnePlus. In an interview to CNET, OnePlus CEO Pete Lau confirmed that the OnePlus is indeed working on a phone with a 90Hz screen that will be cheaper than the OnePlus 7 Pro. He didn't reveal any other specifications about it, but the 90Hz part was confirmed. OnePlus was the first in the industry to use a Quad HD Plus 90Hz AMOLED screen with the ultra-premium OnePlus 7 Pro. Pete Lau told CNET, "The overwhelming positive feedback pushes us to bring 90Hz, which we believe will become standard on flagship phones, to our highly acclaimed premium lineup so that more people can experience the smooth scrolling display." What this clearly indicates that the OnePlus is going on with the 90Hz screen for the cheaper OnePlus 7T as mentioned by the leaks and rumors previously. And there are high chances that the OnePlus 7T will use the same Quad HD Plus optic AMOLED panel from the OnePlus 7 Pro, but will retain the smaller water drop notch on the top. However, that wasn't all from the OnePlus CEO. Pete Lau also suggested that the OnePlus could be going ahead with the Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset for the cheaper OnePlus 7T. Hence, another detail can be checked off from the leaked list of specs for the OnePlus 7T. The Snapdragon 855 Plus is the latest flagship chip from Qualcomm that promises a 15% boost to GPU performance and 4% boost to CPU performance over the regular Snapdragon 855. If we talk about the design, OnePlus usually does not mess with the design too much for the T version of its smartphone. For the OnePlus 6T, it introduced a water drop notch over the larger notch on the OnePlus 6. But typically it's the internal hardware that gets an upgrade. We haven't seen many leaks surrounding the standard OnePlus 7T as yet, though there have been rumors of a OnePlus device with a circular camera system on the rear. It is not currently clear which model that might be. At last, if we talk about the release date, the OnePlus 7T and 7T Pro could be announced on September 26 and go on sale on October 15th. Also expected to launch on September 26 is the OnePlus TV. The event could be a big one with both the smartphones and TVs finally being unveiled on that day. So guys, are you excited for the OnePlus 7T and the 7T Pro? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.